Billy Sipos here. Good afternoon. We're here at the Automate show in Chicago. Here with the Airline team showcasing some of our product offerings. So this is our RapidGuard 2 machine guarding. So it's designed in a way that's very easy to install. We do a 1.25 inch square mesh, which allows you to be 4.7 inches from any hazard. We put a threaded insert in the post and a T-slot on the panel, which allows the panel to drop right in and lock it down. We do a 6x6 inch base plate, which allows you to stand the posts up and lay your configuration out prior to installation to make sure that everything lines up correctly. We often get asked if we can incorporate cable management into our machine guarding system. So what we've done is we've developed a bracket that drops into our 2x2 post, which will allow the cable tray to rest and run along whatever your fencing layout is, where the cables will run. So another cool product that we offer is a light curtain enclosure post, which protects your light curtains from being bumped and knocked out of alignment. So what we do is we cut a channel in the post with our tube laser, and we integrate whatever your light curtain is into the post. We'll integrate slots for all the mounting hardware, and we have a technology on the base plate that will allow you to keep the post plumb once it's attached to the concrete. So another thing that we're doing with our RapidGuard product line is integrating a series of interlocks. So we'll take whatever your interlock spec is and we'll create bracketry to mount up perfectly and seamlessly with our doors. So here we have a Fortress 24-volt safety switch. So as you can see, the bracketry that we've created allows that to be lined up perfectly and work and function properly. So overall, WireCrafters is an American-made, very robust machine guarding solution. We have a stock offering, we can do a very custom solution, and a very easily installed system. Reach out to your local airline rep for more information.